Come on in, Tim.
All right, thanks.
Go and take a seat here on the chair for a second. We'll get started. How have you been doing?
Good. Good overall.
Any setbacks at all? Or?
No, I started going to the gym again, so that's kind of helping too. Make the muscles sore, but also helping to keep things where they should be.
So last time you said that your neck was a little bit tight, and you're thinking it's because you weren't sleeping very well.
Yeah, that seems to be okay now. Yeah.
Doing a little better?
Yeah.
Okay. And right side shoulder pain, that's all doing pretty well?
It's awesome now, yeah.
Okay, good.
It makes me, I can do my exercises without pain anymore.
Okay.
Which is, what I've always wanted, so.
Okay, Tim. At the gym. All right. So we'll just go ahead and check your spine. We'll kind of do the normal thing.
Okay. Lay down?
Yep, go ahead and have you lie on your stomach. So we're gonna go ahead and check your leg length first. Because of how your legs attach to the hips, can kind of give me an idea of what's going on in the hips and lower back by checking your leg length. So your right leg is a little bit shorter than the left, and it's not uncommon, but I'll tell you in a minute what that means. When I bring it up, the right leg goes a little bit long, and sometimes it's because your leg is just short, but sometimes it's also because of what's going on in the hips. And when I bring it up like that, and it changes length, so it starts short and goes long, usually that's going to be a lower back thing. And so when your right leg is short, your hip tends to lock to the back a little bit, the right hip, and the left hip will tend to lock forward a little bit. And so when I adjust you, I want to make sure I adjust you that way to try to even out the leg length. And then when you're standing up and you're going about your normal your day, it will you'll feel a little bit more balanced. So let's have you go ahead and lie on your left side and face me. Some people, when I adjust, don't like to lay on their sides. Some people prefer to have other techniques, like the table will drop a tiny bit and do the adjustment that way. Tim responds well this way, so this is how we do it. So we're going to come right here. There we go. Go ahead and lay on the other side. And let's try to. So this side is the side that's already, it's forward, it's not to the back, so we're going to go more upward with it to get that to move. Okay, and then have you lie on your back. All right, now we're going to check the neck.
This is my favorite part. Feels good after you do it.
There are 7 bones in the neck, and so I'll usually go right up and down and just make sure I find the area that's locked up. We don't want to do a general one. We want to find out what bone isn't moving and move that bone so that we're not just trying to do everything. So we go right here, and we're down here on number 3, and I'm going to bring that to the right, so we're going from left to right. There we go. And we're doing the same thing on the opposite side. And I'm going to be down here at the bottom at number 6, the 6th bone in the neck. I'm just going to bring that to the side or the other direction. Good. And then I usually will give it a little pull. And then make sure they're moving, because that's the goal. All right. Then we're going to just do the upper back. Go ahead and cross your arms. And so usually the upper back is responding to things going on in the neck. And we want to make sure that we're not leaving something undone. Sit up. Oop. And then on your stomach. I'll forget that's on. All right, once we're done, we want to just double check and make sure we've gotten everything moving. And so his leg length is even, which is what we want. Sometimes if there's still some changes, I'll do like a muscle test and just kind of see what's going on, but he's doing good. He's been coming in for a while, and so we already know what is going on for him. So then sometimes I'll end with the massager. If there's particular areas that are really tight, sometimes I'll work on that a little bit more. Go ahead and take a seat on the edge of the table. Since I've been working with Tim for a while already, I already know that he has some shoulder stuff going on, and more on the left shoulder. It's been feeling good, but typically shoulders will tend to kind of move a little bit or misalign forward and down a little bit and in. And so as minimal of a change as it is, it's helpful to be able to just kind of try to pull it back up, and we go in the opposite direction. And then we'll do the same thing on this side. Good. This thing keeps falling off there. Good. All right, so go ahead and have you come on up. And then come on over, we'll have you lay on the table for a couple minutes. So I like doing these tables. They're called intersegmental traction. And the goal is to be able to have the roller kind of roll up and down his back, just to kind of promote the motion that we just created. For Tim, we do it the whole spine because he's been coming for a little bit and don't feel like we need to do a specific area. And I'm just going to put a little ice on his neck because it's hot outside and it feels good. But if it was inflamed, I'd put ice in whatever area needs it a little bit more. But, all right, and that's the long and short of it. Like and subscribe. And if there's anything, any content, any video that you would be interested in learning about, put it in the comments and we will do a video about it. And so I hope we see you soon. Thanks for watching.